Hi guys, it's me, Lee, with Victorian Dreams by Lee, and I want to show you what I got from Anna Griffin. And it is the Empress Gild machine. It heats up with hot plates and everything, and you use it through the Empress machine or the Empress Elite. So I'm going to open it and we're going to go through it. And also, the link will be down below if you're interested in anything Anna Griffin. Yeah, and it's the biggest plate system on the market. I'm going to have to practice, and I'm going to show you my mistakes, and I'm going to make a series for a few months of a card once a week using this. And we're going to make a lot of cards, not just one. So you get your plug-in stuff to heat it up. And here is the machine. Here's the machine. And I know you heat it up. And here is the plate that you stick in there. And this gets hot. And I know you only touch this part. And you put it through your Empress machine. And I will show you all that when I start having classes, all free on all social media. I will be sharing under Victorian Dreams by Lee. We have the tweezers that are magnetic and that will pick up my instructions. This is the heating pad to put the hot stuff on, and this is what, I don't know, this goes on top. And then it goes on top with the paper, and then this goes through the machine. So, and this might be just an extra one. So also, what else comes with it, my grandson just walked in and is trying to mess me up. Please, Axel, no. So then this is the Perfect Palette Antique Foil. You need the foil, and you put, there's gold in there, and there's 1, 2, 3, there's 4 colors, and you have a box that cuts it, so that's very nice. Let me see if I can get it out. Little cutting, and the blade is right here that you attach. So those, look at those beautiful colors. Then we have another set of colors. Look at that. These are called the Perfect Holiday. And so we're going to use those. And now let me show you what else I have to go with it. So I have from Anna the color drenched, the sage green and the fresh lilacs. And we're going to practice with those. Then we have, this is what she recommends, the Luxury Pearl matte foil cardstock. One side you foil on, the other side you don't. It's 12 6x8 and 12 8x12. So we're going to use that to practice on. And yeah, one is regular and then one is glossy nice. And then here is the foil plates. So this one is 1 of 2, and it is the floral hot press. And this is 1 of 2, and it is the damask. So these are 5x7, the largest they make. They all come with instructions. My finger's still hurting, it's hard to grab. This is the Gilded Gratitude and Celebration Sentiments. So this is what that looks like. And there's 4 altogether. It says well done and happy get well soon. I'm trying to read upside down. Let's see, it says get well soon, thank you so very much, well done. So we have those. Let's see what else we have. We have the birthday and friendship sentiments to do. Happy birthday, hello. So we'll practice with those. The links for all this will be down in the comments. I think I already said that. And this is the Floree frames. So there's so much, and I didn't even get everything that she sells that goes with this, but I am so blessed to have it, and I can't wait to start learning with you. We'll do it together, and we'll figure it out. We'll figure out the mistakes and no mistakes and how to get the best out of all this. So make sure if you buy this, you have Anna's Empress die cutting machine or the new Elite. And I will definitely give classes on this. And it might last 6 months, a few cards each week. So we'll probably make a couple of hundred cards, and we'll get the hang of this for sure. I am so blessed to be able to get this, and I want to say thank you for everyone that's following me. Remember that I have a monthly giveaway of my extra dies from the mystery box from last year. So every month, if you share any of my Anna Griffin videos, you get a chance to win a beautiful die that's $45 to $65 or more. So make sure you do that, and let me know. So yeah, share and follow. Thank you, everyone. Have a blessed day.